Greetings students. Today we'll start with chapter 11 mensuration. Okay. In mensuration means actually we will study about measuring the length, breadth, area and volume or perimeter of different shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon. Okay. So for that how we will calculate the area, how we will calculate the perimeter, length and breadth, all those things we'll study under mensuration. Okay. So first of all, in this exercise, assignment 11.1, we'll study about perimeter. Okay, perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary of a closed figure. Just we need to calculate all the length. If a 1 meter wire, we are just keeping it in the rectangle shape or square shape. Okay, so the total length will be 1 meter only. That 1 meter length only we will just keep it in different bins with different bins. Okay, so perimeter is nothing but length of the boundary of a closed figure. Now for example, this is a closed figure. So all the length of the sides you have to just you need to find the length of all sides, you have to find the sum. Okay, simply when you will take perimeter. Okay, perimeter is the length of boundary of closed figure. That means perimeter is equal to length of all sides. All sides means all side length, you have to add it and you need to find the total length will be your perimeter. Okay, so for first of all we'll start with perimeter of a rectangle. This is actually the rectangular shape, right? So in the rectangle opposite sides are equal. We know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AB. Okay, so if I'll take AB as L, then CD as L, then AB and CD both are equal and BC and AD both are equal. Okay, so L plus B plus L plus B, if all sides, right, we need to find the length of all sides. So L plus B plus L plus B. So see here, L plus L is 2L, right? Then B plus B 2B. Okay, so from this 2 you can take 2 as a common, then 2 into L plus B. That is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, so perimeter of regular shapes. Regular shapes means like all the sides should be equal. All the sides of the given shape is equal. For example, perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, see here, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. All these three sides are equal. X only. If X is 3, then AB is also 3, BC also 3, AC also 3. If X is 5, then all these sides are 5 only, right? 5 meter only. So regular shapes means all the sides of a given shape is equal. So equilateral triangle, all the three sides of a triangle are equal. So equilateral triangle. So in that case, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 3 multiplied by length of one side. Okay, 3, see, x into x into x is 3x, right? So 3x, x plus x plus x, or 3x only we will write, right? So 3 multiplied by x. X is nothing but length of any one side because all sides are equal. So length of one side. So what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 multiplied by length of one side. Similarly for perimeter of square also, you can see all the sides are equal. A, here also A. So perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there, right? So 4 multiplied by A. Okay. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by length of any one side because all sides are equal. So 4 multiplied by length of one side. Okay, and see here perimeter of regular pentagon. Okay, so here pentagon means 5 shapes, 5 sides will be there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 sides I have mentioned here length A. So 5 multiplied by A. So perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to 5 multiplied by length of one side. So whatever be the regular shape, you can just count the number of sides multiplied by length of one side. Okay, that will be the formula for perimeter. So when we'll start with assignment 11.1, first question, first part. A square is 44 meter long. 44 meter long means that length. Okay, on square shape is there and square 44 meter length is given. Okay, that means 44 meter length on all the sides, it will be 44 only because in square all sides are equal, right? So 44, 44, 44 only. So its perimeter is, we know the perimeter of the square, here we have studied 4 multiplied by A, right? So here A is given as 44. So 4 multiplied by length of one side. Length of one side is 44. So 4 multiplied by 44. When you will multiply this, you will get the answer 176 meter. So option C, 176 meter is the right answer. Okay. Then we'll move on to next question. The length of the rectangle whose perimeter is 88 meter, whose breadth is 12 meter. And we need to find the length of the rectangle is. Okay, this is, it denotes the length of a rectangle. We need to find the length of a rectangle, and the rectangle perimeter is 88 meters. So perimeter is given. Perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B, right? Formula. Here we have studied. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so that perimeter is given 88 meter, and this breadth is given 12 meter. Okay, breadth is given 12 meter. So you need to find the length of a rectangle. See here, you can follow two methods here. One is 2 into L plus B is equal to 88 meter. That means you can multiply this 2 inside again, like here in this step, not 2L plus 2B. So 2L plus 2B is equal to 88 meter. 2L plus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 12, because B is breadth is 12 meter, right? 12. So 2 12s are 24. Okay, first of all you have to take this known term to other side. So 88 minus 24. Here it is in plus 24. When you will bring this side, it will become minus 24. 88 minus 24 is 64, right? So 2L is equal to 64. Here 2 and L are in multiplication. Okay, so when you will bring this 2 na to other side, it will come as division. So 64 by 2. 64 by 2, when you will cancel, you will get the 32 meter. Okay, this is the length of the rectangle. You can do by like this also. Otherwise, from this step itself, 2 into L plus B is equal to 88 meter, right? So here it is in multiplication. 2 in multiplication. So L plus B is equal to 88. This 2 na, here it is in multiplication. When it will come this side, it will come as division. So it will become 44. Okay, then B, as we know that B here, L plus B is equal to 44. This B value we knew, right? It is 12. So L plus 12 is equal to 44. Then L is equal to 44. This plus 12, when you will bring this side, it will become minus 12. So L is equal to 4 minus 2 to 4 minus 1, 3, 32 meter. Okay, so like this also you can do it. Okay, both are equal only. You can multiply here and finally you can change this, or otherwise you can just do the division first, then after that you can find the length. Okay, then if length of one side of a regular hexagon means 6 sides. Okay, hexagon means 6 sides. So length of one side is 2.5 centimeter, and perimeter of the hexagon we need to find. We know that regular shapes, because these are regular shapes, so all the sides of the hexagon are equal. So perimeter of regular hexagon is 6 into length of one side, right? As I already told you, hexa means 6. So 6 sides. So 6 multiplied by length of one side. Length of one side is 2.5 centimeter. So 6 multiplied by 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So this 2.5 I have written here like 25 by 10. Okay. So 6 multiplied by 25 divided by 10. While I will cancel this numerator and denominator by 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. Then this 2 and 6, when I will cancel, I'll get 3. So 3 5s are 15. 15 centimeter is the answer. Okay, so the perimeter of a hexagon is 15 centimeter. And next question, perimeter of adjoining figure is 22 meter. Adjoining figure means this joint figure, right? This closing figure is 22 meter. Perimeter is given, and length of each equal sides of ED and CD. These two sides are equal. We need to find the length of each side. That means each side length we have to find. Okay, so both are equal, so both should be same. As we already know, the first definition we have studied, perimeter is equal to length of all sides, right? So if it is a irregular shapes, or so here you can see length of all sides. Perimeter equal to length of all side. All side means AB plus BC length plus CD length and DE AE. Okay, so length and perimeter is given in the question 22, so I have substituted here 22. So 22 is equal to AB is 6, BC is 5, then CD X, ED also X, AE is 5. Okay, so unknown terms you can add it, then known terms you can add it separately. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 5 16. So 16 plus x is 2x, 1x 1x, right? 1x plus 1x, it's 2x, so 2x. So 22, this known term first you bring it to other side. Here it is an addition. When it will come this side, it will come as a subtraction. So 22 minus 16 is 6. Okay, and 2x, these both are in multiplication. When you will bring this 2 here, it will come as a division. So 6 by 2, so x is equal to 3. Okay, because we need to find the value of x. So x only you have to take down the one side. Okay, so x is equal to 3. That means ED is also 3 and then CD is also 3. So answer is 3 meter. Okay, here you can see a rectangular park is 30 meter by 22 meter. Rectangular park. Okay, rectangular park 30 meter by 22 meter. That means 30 meter length, 22 meter breadth. This is size. Okay, so 30 meter length, 22 meter. The length of the wire for fencing. Length of the wire means total length of the wire. Here also they will put the fencing here, here, right here. So full length only, right? So perimeter means total length only, will get the perimeter. So length of the wire for fencing, in other words you can say perimeter of the rectangular park. Okay, so we need to find that. Actually rectangular park size is given, length is 30 meter and breadth is 22 meter as per the given question, and length of the wire we need to find, that is nothing but perimeter of the rectangular park. Okay, that formula is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L is 30 meter and B is 22 meter. So when you will add these two things, you will get 52. When you will multiply with 2, you will get 104 meter. So this is the perimeter of the rectangular park, or the length of the wire for fencing we need is 104 meter. Okay, and second question you can see here, find the perimeter of the given figures. Okay, so first question, this figure is given like this, right? This is irregular shape. Here all sides are given. Just we need to find the length of all sides only. You have to add all the sides of the length. Okay, perimeter is equal to length of all sides. That means 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13 centimeter. Okay, then here you can see perimeter, all the sides are equal and you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Hexagon shape, regular hexagon. Okay, regular hexagon formula we know that 6 into length of one side. So total number of sides 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into length of one side, because all sides are equal length. So length of one side is 3 meter. So 6 multiplied by 3. So 6 3s are 18. 18 meter is a perimeter for this figure. And here you can see one semicircle is given 14 centimeter diameter and 22 centimeter this length, right? So length of perimeter is equal to length of all sides. That means this wire plus this one. So 22 plus 14, that is 36 centimeter. Okay students, I hope you all understand these first two questions. Okay, practice these questions in your notebook. Thank you.